Hi everyone. So today I was going to teach how to create a resource in Azure portal. So before creating a resource, we need to map a resource group. So first I'm going ahead and create a resource group. So in this resource manager, I was clicking create resource group. Before creating the resource group, some subscription wants to be created. So for resource group will be the parent kind of thing. For the resource group, subscription will be the parent kind of thing. And I was entering the resource name as checkbook by Kani RG. I am using the default region, selecting review and create. The review automation validation is successful. The create button is enabled. So go ahead and create. The resource group is created. You can go to see this resource group. Under this resource group only, you are mapping to create a resource. Okay. So for creating the resource, or go ahead to the home page. Home, create a resource, type some virtual machine. So these are the machines. I was going to this default one. Create virtual machine. You want to map the resource group. Checkbook by Kani. The name of this VM, like my check VM. The region will be auto populated. You can keep all these things by default and give some password instead of SSH key. I was giving the username as checkbook and the password will be, I was using my own password at 123. I am keeping all these things as default, review and create. Hmm. So the validation got passed. I'm go ahead with create button. So the resource group is created. The deployment is in progress. Once it is done, you can go ahead and log into this VM also. So the deployment is completed. The deployment got succeeded. The notification, and you can go ahead to see the result. So these are the details of the VM. You can able to connect the VM, restart, stop, delete, refresh. You can see the DNS, IP address, resource group, subscription, the property, whether you can monitor if any issues, help, all these things, the capabilities for this PM, the recommendations, and some tutorials which helps you to know more about the information. Okay, so we should not use this because we want to pay for this PMs. So you can go to this home page and resource groups, or directly go to this resource group and delete the resource group, so that all the resources under the resource group will be deleted. Okay. Refresh and see. Some got deleted. It to delete other few items too. So still it is deleting. Once the deletion is successful, you cannot able to see any resources under this resource group. The whole resource group itself will be deleted.